Hello, kitty friends! Get ready for a fun-filled muddy adventure where farm animals and jungle creatures come together to create an exciting and educational experience for kids. This interactive journey is perfect for young explorers who love animals and enjoy learning through play. Dive right in video. A global exploration of goat. Goats can be used for vegetation control. Their grazing habits can help manage overgrown vegetation, making them useful in preventing wildfires. In the fast lane with cheetahs. Cheetahs primarily hunt small to medium-sized ungulate. Their hunting strategy involves stalking and then sprinting to catch their prey. Cheetahs communicate through a variety of vocalizations. The wonders of domestic cat. Cats have remarkable reflexes. They can right themselves in midair if they fall. Thanks to their righting reflex, this ability, combined with their flexible skeletons, help them survive falls from high places. In the hoof prints of sheep. Sheep have cloven hooves, meaning their hooves are divided into two parts. Proper hoof care is essential for their well-being. The average lifespan of a sheep is around 14 years, depending on factors such as breed and living conditions. Tales from the wolf territories. In some areas, there have been successful reintroduction programs aimed at restoring wolf populations. These efforts have been undertaken to restore ecological balance and control prey populations. Wolves have played unraveling the mysteries of camel. Camels have been domesticated for thousands of years and have played a critical role in the economies of many societies. They are used for transportation, carrying goods, and providing milk and meat. Camel milk is a nutritious alternative to cow's milk. Tracing the black bear's path. Black bears are generally considered a species of least concern on the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List. However, local populations can face challenges and conservation efforts are critical to maintaining healthy bear populations. Visual feast of alligator majesty. American alligators have rebounded from near extinction and are currently listed as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, habitat loss and human-wildlife conflicts the unique world of white tiger. In the wild, Bengal tigers, including white tigers, generally have a lifespan of about 10 to 15 years. In captivity, they may live longer. Conservation efforts are critical to preserving the genetic diversity of tigers. Journey into the world of moose. Moose have a unique flap of skin called a bell that hangs beneath their throat. This is thought to aid in communication, especially during the mating season. While moose are large and powerful, they do have natural predators including wolves. Exploring the prowess of the puma. Pumas are adept climbers and can leap up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters vertically to catch prey or escape danger. Unlike lions, pumas do not roar. Instead, they communicate through growls, hisses, and purrs. They are known for their stealth and agility. An expedition into snake habitat. Snakes inhabit diverse environments, from deserts and grassland to forest and water bodies. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. Snakes can have impressive lifespans. Some species can live for several decades in captivity. Mysteries of giraffe behavior. Giraffes have excellent eyesight, which helps them detect predators from a distance. Their large eyes provide a wide field of view, and they are particularly good at spotting movement. Giraffes face threats in the wild, including habitat loss. Understanding the essence of REM. Sheep farming is an important agricultural industry worldwide, providing meat, wool, and other products. There are numerous breeds of sheep, each with its own characteristic including size, coat color, and suitability for specific climates or purposes. Appreciating diversity of spider. Most spiders are solitary creatures, but there are exceptions. Social spiders, such as some species of orb weavers, live in colonies and share duties like capturing prey. Spiders contribute significantly to ecosystem health by controlling insect populations. Understanding the role of hippos. Hippos secrete a red, oily substance from their skin, often referred to as blood sweat, contrary to its name. This secretion is not blood but is believed to function as a moisturizer and a form of sunblock, protecting their sensitive skin. The life and time of tiger. Tigers are primarily nocturnal, which means they are more active during the night. Their excellent night vision and keen sense of smell aid them in hunting in low light conditions. Unlike many other big cats, tigers are good swimmers and are known to enjoy being in the water. They can swim long distances and everything you need to know about dog. Certain dog breeds like the Labrador Retriever and Newfoundland are natural swimmers due to their webbed feet and water-resistant coats. From solid colors to spots, stripes, and brindles, The majestic lioness unveiled. While males are responsible for protecting the pride and its territory, lionesses play a critical role in the daily activities of hunting, caring for cubs and maintaining social bonds within the prides. Lionesses are adaptable and can live in a variety of habitats. The grandeur of elephants in action. Elephants face threats such as habitat loss and human-elephant conflict. Both African and Asian elephants are listed as either vulnerable or endangered, and conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures. They are found in various countries in Africa and Asia. The timeless beauty of horse. Throughout history, horses have played a critical role in human civilization, serving as transportation in agriculture and in various forms of labor. Equine therapy, also known as horse therapy, has been recognized for its therapeutic benefits in addressing various physical, grateful for your time given to watching Learning with Animals, Muddy Farm Animal and Jungle Creatures Fun for Kids Adventure. Subscribe now for an unforgettable muddy adventure with farm animals and jungle creatures. Let's explore, play and learn together in this exciting and educational experience. Stay anticipated for more muddy adventures. Bye for now, mini explorers!